18 divided 6 times 3. What is the correct answer? Is it 1 or 9? Do you want to solve it? Pause the video and let me know your answer in the comment section. And don't change your answer if you don't get the correct answer after watching this video. Now, this 18 divided 6 times 3, why it's a viral question? Why so many people are getting wrong answer? Now let's solve it. This is a question of order of operation. So let's first understand the order of operation. In order of operation, we first solve parentheses. Then we solve exponents or orders, indices, roots, etc. Then we solve multiplication, division, addition. Let's write it more clearly. And then subtraction. So this is the order of operation, and you can remember it through the mnemonic called PEMDAS. You can also follow PEMDAS, which is the same rule: parenthesis, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now let's solve it using PEMDAS first. So here we have no parenthesis, then no exponent, then we have multiplication and division. So as per PEMDAS, you will solve multiplication first. So 18 divided 6 times 3 is 18. 18 divided by 18, answer is 1. So if you follow PEMDAS, you're getting 1 as the correct answer. But what if you follow PEDMAS? Let's say PEDMAS, in which D is written first, so you do division first. That means 18 divided by 6 times 3. We do division first. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Then 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 is the answer as per PEDMAS. As per PEMDAS, 1 is the answer, which should be the correct answer. And why there are different answers? It's because whether you follow PEMDAS or PEDMAS, one important rule is you have to remember that this multiplication division, they have equal priority. That means they do not enjoy any precedence over each other. Writing in this order, that doesn't mean that multiplication has any precedence over division, or in PEDMAS, division has any precedence over multiplication. So to resolve the issue that which operation to do first, we group them together. Same goes for addition and subtraction. We group them together and solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. For example, if you get 8 times 3 divided by 4, so even if you follow PEMDAS or PEDMAS, it doesn't matter, from left to right you will see we have multiplication first. So it will be 8 times 3, 24, then divided by 4, answer will be 6. What if you have 8 times 3 divided 4 and before that you have plus 5? Will you do the addition first, because from left to right you have addition first? No. Why? Because addition and subtraction will always come after multiplication and division. The choice of left to right is between multiplication division and between addition subtraction. Whenever the choice is between division or addition subtraction, or multiplication and addition subtraction, these two will get the priority. So if you get addition first, you will not solve addition first. It will be 5 plus, then from left to right multiplication is first, so 8 times 3 is 24, then divided by 4. Again division will be done before addition, so 5 plus 24 divided by 4 is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 is the correct answer. Now here in this question, where we are making the mistake, we are solving it as per PEMDAS and just doing it 6 times 3 is 18. 18 divided by 18 is 1. No, we can't do like this. We have to do the left to right thing. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Then 3 times 3 is 9. In PEDMAS, we are already getting 9 as our answer, because in PEDMAS D is written first. So it's a coincidence that we are getting correct answer in PEDMAS. It doesn't mean that you have to follow PEDMAS and PEMDAS is the wrong order of operation. No. You can follow any of the two rules. and just stick to the rule of left to right, you will get the correct answer in both of these rules. Now let's take another example. 9 divided by 3 times 2 divided by 6. Now in this question you might get confused which operation to do first, because there is division, division, multiplication. So we will stick to the left to right rule. From left to right you have division first. 9 divided by 3 is 3, then times 2, then divided by 6. Again from left to right there is multiplication. So 3 times 2 is 6, divided by 6. Answer is 1. So 1 is the correct answer. Now what is confusing here? Let me show you. Even if you solve this part and this part simultaneously, 9 divided by 3 is 3, then you write multiplication. 2 divided by 6 will be 1 upon 3. Then also 3 times 1 is 3. Answer is 1. You are getting correct answer. But this may happen in some questions that the order won't matter, because these two operations are separated by a multiplication. That's why you're getting the correct answer. It doesn't mean that you don't have to follow the left to right rule. So following the correct rule is very important. Let's see this example. 8 minus 3 parenthesis 5 minus 8 divided 2. Now here we have a parenthesis. So as per PEMDAS, we will follow this order. First parenthesis. So in parenthesis we have 8 minus 3, 5. Once you have done the operation inside the parenthesis, you have to remove it. Now when you remove it and there is no sign here, that means here we have multiplication. So we write multiplication here like this. Then minus 8 divided by 2. Here this operation and this operation can be done simultaneously in the same step, because they are separated by a sign, minus sign. Or what we can do, we start doing from left to right. 5 times 5 is 25, then minus 8 divided by 2. Again division has priority over subtraction, so we will write 25 minus 8 divided by 2 is 4. 25 minus 4 is 21. So you get 21 as your answer. If you solve both of them at the same time, 5 times 5 is 25, minus 8 divided by 2 is 4. 25 minus 4 is 21. So when you get these types of question, you can solve it like this. So 21 is the correct answer. What about this question? Can you solve it following the rule? What is the correct answer? 7 minus 1 times 0 plus 3 divided 3. Now always remember that subtraction will not have precedence over multiplication. So first we will do multiplication. So this left to right doesn't work with subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication has precedence. So we write 7 minus 1 times 0 is 0 plus 3 divided 3. Now you have subtraction, addition and division. So division has priority. So 7 minus 0 plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now you can do subtraction and addition at the same time, or you can follow the left to right rule. 7 minus 0 is 7, then plus 1 is equal to 8. So 8 is the answer. Answer is B. I hope there is no more confusion. If it is, you can ask me in the comment section and let me know what was your answer. Thanks for watching.